and welcome. I love guacamole, and I recently spoke with my 5-year-old niece Mia. Actually, she just became 5 years old, so happy birthday again, Mia. She told me that she doesn't know yet what guacamole is. Hai mai mangiato il guacamole?
Mai.
Non l'hai mai mangiato?
No, mai.
Non sai cos'è il guacamole?
Non so neanche com'è e neanche che gusto ha.
So as there are over 10,000 kilometers in between us at the moment, I decided to create a video and show to my niece Mia, my nephew Alex, and my 2 cousins, Anais and Amelia, how to create a very yummy guacamole. Let's get it started, but first, quickly, let's see some information about the avocado as it is the main ingredient, and also some of the history of the guacamole, so we can have a better understanding of the origin of the recipe. So we start by cutting carefully the avocados in half. Then you can use the knife to take out the seed. Here I like to cut it like this, so it will be easier to remove the mesocarp from the exocarp. Do it gentle, and you can use a cloth to avoid cutting your hand. Then you use a spoon to remove everything. You also want to use the avocados that are just the right amount of ripeness. At this point, you can use the fork to mash the avocados. You might want to keep it a bit chunky though. Then you cut the tomatoes and the onion. I personally like it spicy, so I'm going to use 2 different types of chili peppers, jalapeno and serrano. Here you can use gloves to avoid the hot pepper hands. And remember, do not touch your eyes. We are almost at the end of this recipe, and at this point we want to add the salt, the pepper and olive oil. But we don't want to forget about the lime. I do recommend to cut them like this, so it will be easier to remove more lime juice from them. Then you simply mix it. Here are some extra tips for you. Don't throw away the seeds. You can try and plant your avocado tree. Also reuse the jars. With the leftover guacamole, you can place it in a jar and you pat it down with a spoon so that you got a nice solid seal on top. Then you add ice water, you cover it and you place it in the fridge. When you are ready to eat it again, simply pour the water off and mix it a bit. So now Mia, Alex, Anais and Amelia, you know what guacamole is. And you can help mommy to prepare it, and I hope you like it. And always remember that your Uncle Alex loves you very much. And remember, never give up on your dreams. Bye!